thinking of getting one more coat on before I change that plastic. Just want to make sure that I've got a lot more depth to the paint for when it comes to wet sanding it down. Following on from the last video, got those sun visors done. I think they're looking a lot whiter. Can you remember what they was before? Can you imagine what it would have looked like putting them nasty things next to a new headliner? Okay, so I didn't film that one, but that is another coat done on the Beetle there. I'm now going to let that go off, and then I'm going to get this plastic down, renew it, have a good tidy up, and then wet sand the car down. All fresh stuff. Got the much needed delivery from the paint man, so I've now got all my thinners, and I've actually got the first instalment of the bus body colour. Now, I haven't been filming a great deal, just been wanting to get the job done, as they say. Now, just been wet sanding this roof, trying to get all the blemishes out of it. There's still quite a few for me to get out, but I initially used a 1500 and that wasn't cutting it too great. I mean, the paper was getting clogged up quite quickly, so I've gone in with 1000 and that seems to be doing more justice. Now, once that's buffed out, let's put a bit of wet on now. It's drying off well quick, but it should look pretty decent. So I'm basically going around spending hours sanding all this, I'm going to call it mottling, sanding all this mottling, the dark spots off there, just so the paint's nice and flat. And that's why there hasn't been a video for a little while. That's pretty much all that's gone on. A repainting and a good old wet sanding. No doubt that there's more complicated cars out there, but this is a real time consuming car to get wet sanded. I reckon with all this sanding going on, this video is going to be worthy of losing at least 4 subscribers. I really have got to have a few panels on the go at any one time just to allow that drying time. Otherwise you just get lost in your tracks. So far, all 4 wings are going to get a respray, so I'm just going over them with 800 and I'll get to that in a bit. There's just too many areas on them that need a little bit more paint applied. This is getting really boring now, not enjoyable at all. I would like to get the doors sorted out so I can at least start making them back up again. I think if there ever is another project, it's going to be a rat look. I'm going to have to do the paint. Right, school me on drain holes at the bottom of the door. So I've got half a hole there, and that is at the front of the driver's door. Is there meant to be another one anywhere else along that bottom edge, because that's where I made the repair, so I can't remember. And the other door hasn't got any. Leave a comment below, tell me what you got. I'm nowhere near finished, but I just want to see what its current state is going to look like with a 2000 on the roof. Just getting impatient, that's all it is. Don't look too sad when it's wet. Hopefully that's a good sign. Now this is the problem you get with working in a dirty environment. All these little spots that have had dust resting on the paint. Hopefully you can see that. So another question for you, would you blow those spots in or would you repaint the whole thing? Put a comment below. Loads of orange peel, or mottling as I like to call it, and a dirty great scratch right in the corner there. Look. I think I know the answer anyway, there's too many little spots on there. Another tea break and another parcel delivered, full of stuff I don't necessarily need right now, but that is what I was after initially, all the wing beading. A lot of it was bulk, so I wanted to make up the free postage. I'll get to the other stuff another day. Unfortunately, that's all I've got in me for today, so make it better than it was. I'll see you on the next one.